Good afternoon to all. I am Swati from class 10th and today I am here to deliver a short speech on reflection of light. So, firstly I will start my speech from the definition of light, which state that the light is a form of energy that provides a sensation of vision in our eyes. And the next is nature of light. Light has a dual nature, that is, it exhibits the properties of both waves and particles. The first one is particle theory of light, and the second is wave theory of light. The particle theory of light. The particle theory of light states that light is composed of particles which travel in a straight line at very high speed. And the second one is wave theory of light, which states that light is composed of electromagnetic waves which do not require a material medium to propagate. Now I will discuss about the reflection of light. The process of sending back light rays which falls on the surface of an object is called as reflection of light. The object having shiny polished surface reflect more light as compared to the object having unpolished dull surface. Silver metal is one of the best reflector of light, and ordinary mirrors are made by depositing a thin layer of silver metal on the back side of a plain glass sheet. And the reflection of light through a plain mirror or any other mirror takes place at the silver surface in it. Now I will discuss about the various terms which is related to the reflection of light. The first one is incident ray. The ray of light which falls on the mirror is called as incident ray. Now I will discuss about the point of incidence. The point at which the incident ray fall on the mirror is called as the point of incidence. And the next is the reflected ray. The ray of light which is sent back by the mirror is called as a reflected ray. And the next is normal. The normal is a line at right angle to the mirror surface at the point of incidence. Now I will discuss about the angle of incidence and angle of reflection. The angle of incidence is the angle made by the incident ray with the normal at the point of incidence is called as the angle of incidence. And the angle of reflection is the angle made by the reflected ray with the normal at the point of incidence. Now I will discuss about the laws of reflection. There are two laws of reflections. The first law of reflections is that the incident ray, reflected ray and normal, they all lie in the same plane. And the second law of reflection is that the angle of incidence is equals to the angle of reflection, which is also expressed as angle I is equals to angle R. Now I will when a ray of light incident normally or perpendicularly on a mirror, then it is reflected as a parallel beam, because angle of incidence and angle of reflection of such ray of light are zero. The law of reflections are applied to all kinds of mirror. Now I will discuss about the regular reflections and diffuse reflections. In regular reflections, the angle of incident ray and reflected ray are equal. That is, the incident ray, reflected ray and normal, they all lie in the same plane. The regular reflection of light takes place from a smooth surface like that of a plain mirror. And the next one is diffuse reflection of light. In diffuse reflection of light, a parallel beam of incident ray is reflected in different directions. For example, cardboard, paper, chalk, a sheet of paper, they also diffuse reflection of light and scatter the light falling on them in different directions. We also observe that the most of the object around us cause diffuse reflection of light, and it also scatters the light it also scatters the light falling on them in different directions. Now I will discuss about the formation of image by a plane mirror. The image formed by a plane mirror can only be seen only by looking into the mirror, and the image formed by a plane mirror is laterally inverted, is always virtual and erect, and that of same size and same distance as that of object. So the the magnifications produced by a plane mirror is always equals to 1. Now I will discuss about the nature of image, the nature of point object when it is formed by a plane mirror. The image of the point object, the image formed by a point object is virtual and erect, same distance as that of object, and it is formed behind the mirror. And in the case of extended object, the image formed by a plane mirror is also virtual and erect, same distance and same size as that of object, and it is also formed behind the mirror. Now I will discuss about the formation of image reflection through a concave curved surface or a spherical mirror. When a parallel beam of light ray fall on the mirror, it is reflected as a parallel beam, and the spherical mirror is that mirror which converges or diverges a parallel beam of light rays which falls on them. It is also we can also say that the spherical mirror is that mirror whose reflecting surface is a part of hollow sphere of a glass. Now I will discuss about the images and object. The first is object. Anything which gives out light, either its own or reflected by it, is called as object. And the second is image. Image is an optical appearance produced when the light coming from an object are reflected by a mirror or refracted through a lens. There are two types of image, that are the real image and virtual image. The first one is real image. The image which can be obtained on a screen is called as real image. For example, we see in cinema hall we see the images of actor and actress. So the image formed on a cinema screen is a real image. And the second one is virtual image. The image which can't be obtained on a screen is called as virtual image. The image form a plane mirror always formed a virtual and erect image. For example, when we see ourselves in a mirror, and that image cannot be obtained on a screen, so that image is a virtual image. Now I will discuss about the types of spherical mirror, that are the concave mirror and convex mirror. The first one is concave mirror. The concave mirror is that mirror in which the reflection of light takes place at the concave surface or bent-in surface. And the convex mirror is that mirror in which the reflection of light takes place at the convex surface or bulging out surface. Now I will discuss about the aperture of mirror. The portion of the mirror from which the reflection of light actually takes place is called as aperture of mirror. Now I will discuss about the rules for obtaining images from the concave mirror. There are 4 rules for obtaining images from a concave mirror. The first one is when a ray of light goes parallel to the principal axis, then after reflection from the concave mirror, it goes through the focus. And the second rule is that when a ray of light passes through the center of curvature, then after reflection from the concave mirror, it bounces back in the same direction. And the third rule is that when a ray of light goes through the focus, then after reflection from a concave mirror, it passes parallel to the principal axis. And the fourth rule states that when a ray of light incident on on any point, then the angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. And in concave mirror there are 6 positions from which we can obtain images. The case first is that when object is placed between pole and focus, then the image formed is magnified or larger than the object, and the image is virtual and erect. And the second position is that when object is placed at focus. So when the object is placed at focus, then the image is formed at infinity, which is real and inverted and highly magnified. And the third position is that when object is placed between focus and the center of curvature. So when object is placed between focus and center of curvature, then the object is formed beyond center of curvatures, which is magnified and real and inverted. And the next position is that when object is placed at center of curvatures. When object is placed at center of curvatures, then the image formed is real and inverted, and image is also formed at center of curvatures, which is same size and same distance as that of object. And the fifth position is that when object is placed beyond center of curvatures, and image is formed between focus and center of curvatures, which is diminished or smaller than the object, and the image formed is also real and inverted. And the sixth position is that when object is placed at infinity or considerable distance, then the image formed is real and inverted, and highly magnified. Highly diminished, and the image is real and inverted. Now I will discuss about the rules for obtaining images from the convex mirror. The first rule is when a ray of light goes parallel to the principal axis, then after reflection from a convex mirror, it appears to be coming from the focus. And the second rule, when a ray of light goes through the center of curvatures, then after reflections it bounces back in the same directions. And the next is when a ray of light appears to passes from the focus of a convex mirror, then after reflection from the convex mirror, it passes parallel to the principal axis. And in convex mirror there are 2 positions from which we can obtain image. The first position is that when object is placed between pole and infinity. So when object is placed between pole and infinity, then the image formed is diminished and formed between pole and focus. And the image formed in this case is virtual and erect. And the second case is that when object is placed at infinity, then the image formed is also virtual and erect and highly diminished and formed at focus. Now I will discuss about the relations between focal length and radius of curvature of a spherical mirror. The focal length of a spherical mirror is equals to the half of its radius of curvatures, which is mathematically represented as f is equals to r by 2. Now I will discuss about the uses of concave mirror. Concave mirror are used as a saving mirror To see the large image of our face, concave mirror is also used by dentists to see the large image of the teeth to be examined to examine the patient. And the concave mirror is used in the solar energy field to focus the light coming from a considerable distance and to heat the solar furnace. The concave mirror are also used as reflector in torches, searchlight, etc. To get a powerful beam of light. The concave mirror is used as a doctor's headlight. To see the different parts of the body, like ear, nose, eye, throat, etc. Now I will discuss about the uses of convex mirror. The convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror in vehicles like car, bus, truck, etc. To see the traffic at the back side or rear side. Convex mirror is also used as a soft security mirror. Now I will discuss about how to find the focal length of a concave mirror quickly but approximately. The fact that when object is placed at infinity or considerable distance, then image is formed at focus can be used to find the focal length of a concave mirror quickly but approximately. Now I will discuss about the mirror formula. The mirror formula, the formula which gives us relationships between the image distance, object distance and focal length of a spherical mirror is called as mirror formula, and the mirror formula is mathematically represented as 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. Now I will discuss about the linear magnification. Now I will discuss about the linear magnifications. The ratio of height of the image to the height of the object is called as linear magnifications, and which is mathematically represented as m is equals to hi by ho, or m is equals to also v by minus v by u, where m is the magnifications, hi is equals to height of the image and ho is equals to height of the object. Now I will discuss about the sign conventions for a spherical mirror. The sign conventions is that all the distances should be measured from the pole. The distance measured in the direction of light should be taken as positive, and the distance measured opposite to the direction of light should be taken as negative, and all the distances above the principal axis taken as positive, and all the distances below the principal axis is taken as negative. And the object is always placed in the left side of the mirror. Now I will discuss about the principal focus and focal length of a concave mirror and convex mirror. The principal focus of a concave mirror is a point on principal axis to which all the light rays which are parallel and close to axis converge after reflection from the concave mirror, and the focal length is the distance between pole and focus. A concave mirror has a real focus. Now I will discuss about the principal focus and focal length of a convex mirror. The principal focus of a convex mirror is a point on principal axis to which all the light rays which are parallel and close to the axis diverges after reflection from the mirror. A convex mirror has a virtual focus. A concave mirror is called as converging mirror because it converges the light on focus, whereas The convex mirror is called as diverging mirror because it diverges the light ray in different directions. Thank you.